So in this video, we're going to explain a little about the Arduino IDE. So basically that just means programming environment. So let's go through each of the parts. This is your programming window. There's a couple parts to it. This part here shows the code that you're going to be running. We'll step through that in a minute. Let's go through some of the buttons. So first up, we've got verify, which after you've done some programming, it will go through. If you push this, it will go through and just make sure that all the syntax, or basically the spelling of everything, is correct and that it's in the right order. This one here is the upload, so this will push the program that you've written here into the Arduino itself. New, as in a new tab, a new programming little environment. Open existing ones and save. Additionally, there's also the serial monitor, which we actually need the Arduino connected to be able to do this. We'll get to that in one sec. And down here is which Arduino and which port you're connected to. So we can actually see that there are a few different types of Arduino. The one that we're going to be using is called the Uno, so we need to switch it to that. Additionally, we need to know which port it's connected to, but it's actually not on there at the moment because the Arduino is not connected. So let's go ahead and plug that in via USB. And there he is there. So on Mac and on Windows, this is a little bit different. So let's just pause the video and jump over to Windows just to see. So here we are on Windows, and if we have a look, it's slightly different. So we've got COM ports on Windows. We've got 1, 2, and 5. I know it's 5 because when I plugged the Arduino in, 5 came up. Additionally, we can also see that in the device manager, but let's just switch over to 5. To be able to test pushing a program to it, we need to actually put something of some sort of like logic in there. This one is a blank program, and we'll go through that in a little bit. But let's just test this. So we've connected it into 5, and we've got our Uno. And I've just basically gone examples, basic, blank, which is the most standard program that you could possibly do. So we won't worry about the actual code for a sec. We'll just push upload. On the Arduino itself, we see that it's blinking the RX and TX light, and it's done. It's uploaded. And when I have a look at the Arduino itself, it's blinking that LED that was on pin 13. So that's successful right there. Let's cancel this and go back into Mac.